Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Devyn and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a Walmart candle hack. So this is something that I recently discovered just accidentally, and guys, I just could not keep it to myself. So I have a slight obsession with candles, but I don't like how they can be really expensive. So yes, I love Bath & Body Works. I love their candles. I love their selection. However, I think that their prices are a little too much. So guys, the candles that I found are only $3.33. I know, mind blown. And no, they're not like little itty bitty candles. I just could not believe it. $3.33 or like $22.50 from Bath & Body Works. So if you guys look a little bit behind me back there, that is actually the hack all together. That looks like a Bath & Body Works candle, right? So I'm gonna be showing you guys this little Walmart candle hack in just a second. Before we get into the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up if you want to see some more Walmart hack videos. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you've not already. And of course, you can always follow me on Instagram. It's just Life by Devyn. You can see a little bit more behind the scenes of my life. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video. So I decided to look at some of the Walmart branded candles, and I found a lot of great scents, but they did not look cute at all. Not something that you just want to put on your dining room table. So I was like, okay, how can I figure out how to make this candle look nice? Because I really like the scent and I still want it to look cute in the home. So here is the candle. So what I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys know is that this case is from Bath & Body Works, and I got it on clearance like last year. And so this was originally $9.50, but I ended up getting it like half off. So less than $5 for the case alone. And this marble top right here is from a Bath & Body Works candle that I used up. And not all Bath & Body Works candles have these, but a good amount do have that pretty beautiful marble top. I just decided to keep this one day, and I tried out the Walmart candle. The scent was amazing just by itself, right? And this idea just came to me. I was like, wait a minute, I had this extra top because it was just so pretty. I didn't want to throw it away. It's like, let me go ahead and try and put it on there. I was like, wait, I also have this old case. Let me go ahead and put this Walmart candle into here and see if it fits. And it fit perfectly. And then I put this top on and it fit perfectly. And then you get what looks like a perfect Bath & Body Works candle. But the thing is, I only spent $3.33, but it looks like the normal like $22.50 plus candles plus the case. What, that's another $10. You're looking at maybe $35 plus. So here is the candle as I bought it for $3.33. Not very cute. We got this sticker on here that says Mainstays, aka the Walmart brand, this made in the USA, and yeah, it's just not very cute. I think that you can peel it off, but even then, by itself, it just doesn't look like a very nice candle, right? But here is that case I was talking about. This one, again, you guys can buy the normal price, but I recommend you wait to get one on sale or clearance because you guys know Bath & Body Works always has those deals. They of course have tons of different designs, but I thought this one, the really pretty like brassy type of gold coloring, looked very nice. And so anyways, I saw this laying around, decided I don't like the way that this looks in my living room. It looks a little cheapy, but it smells amazing. So I went ahead, popped that in here. You can see I've had it lit for quite some time because I'm obsessed with the scent, and it fits perfectly inside. And it looks like a Bath & Body Works candle just from the top, which again is insane. Then I go ahead and grab this top and place it on there, and there you go. It's crazy, right? And I don't know, this may be simple. You guys may be like, Devyn, I already knew that. But I had no idea, and I feel like I've been overpaying for candles this whole time. So anyways, this is my little hack. I will tell you that they have a really good selection at Walmart of candles.
So these are the candles. This is me in Walmart. You can see they're only $3.33. This Cozy Comfort one I took home with me. There is my Lovely Spun Pumpkin Sugar one that I'm talking about in this video. There's Pumpkin Spice, Pumpkins and Plums. There's so many yummy fall ones. I also got this Fall Farmhouse ones. You can see they have bigger versions of them. And they even have some other ones that look a little bit more like Bath & Body Works for just under $7, which is also a great deal. But again, I'm just super cheap, so I went with the most affordable one. And this is what it looks like when it is lit. It is so pretty. And then I just put this marble top. And this is what it looks like when it's not lit. It is just so gorgeous.
So I know that it was pretty short and sweet, but I hope that it helped you out. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And I really appreciate you guys sticking to the end. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.